Introduction to Affiliate Marketing Journey. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the realm of affiliate marketing, a side hustle that has the potential to liberate you from the confines of a 9-to-5 job. Before we delve into the details, I want to confess right at the outset that of all the side hustles I've explored, this one has proven to be the most remarkable. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process I followed, drawing inspiration from Glow with Geo's insights. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Step 1. Creating a business Pinterest account. The first crucial step is setting up a new business Pinterest account. Head over to Pinterest.com, and on the left side of the sign-up page, select the business option. Fill in basic information like email, name, and gender. Next, you'll need to craft your business profile, tailoring it to your specific vision. This step is surprisingly straightforward and took me only 10 minutes to complete. Step 2. Setting up an Amazon Associates account. Following Glow with Geo's advice, Step 2 involves creating an Amazon Associates account. The process is hassle-free, requiring only your email. Amazon Associates is available in 20 different countries, and approval typically takes 24 to 48 hours. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, displaying essential statistics such as click-through rates. No need for additional tracking tools. Amazon Associates provides all the necessary data on their website. Step 3. Pinterest Keyword Research. Moving on to Step 3, I explored keyword research for my Pinterest niche. Contrary to some suggestions, Google Trends proved irrelevant to Pinterest. Instead, I found that the most effective method was to use Pinterest itself. By typing in search queries related to my pin ideas, I discovered trending keywords. This straightforward approach provided valuable insights for crafting compelling titles and descriptions. Step 4. Creating a Canva account. Step 4 involves creating a Canva account, a crucial tool for implementing the strategy outlined by Glow with Geo. Canva facilitates the design of visually appealing pins that align with your page's aesthetic. The account setup takes only 5 to 10 minutes, with a monthly fee of $12.99. Step 5. Pin creation process. With the foundational steps completed, Step 5 is where you start creating your pins. Begin by selecting designs in Canva that resonate with your style and page design. Then, head to Amazon to find products for promotion. This is a meticulous process, involving screenshotting product images from Amazon and uploading them to Canva. Each pin creation can take up to 30 minutes, depending on factors like your proficiency and the number of items featured. Step 6. Uploading pins to Pinterest. Finally, Step 6 entails uploading your designed pins to Pinterest. Be sure to add your affiliate links in the designated area, ensuring not to place them in the Add Destination link or website sections. A meticulous description with relevant keywords enhances the visibility of your pins. This process demands time and attention to detail, but is crucial for building a successful affiliate marketing strategy. Cautionary note and conclusion. A brief pause in the video is dedicated to sharing a cautionary tale from my own journey. I encountered challenges, including a ban on my first Pinterest account due to unknowingly violating certain rules. I share these insights to help you avoid similar pitfalls. In conclusion, the affiliate marketing journey is a continuous learning process. I'll keep you updated on my progress, and if you have questions or suggestions for future side hustles, please leave a comment below. Thank you for your ongoing support, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.